our countertops are almost complete, and they're in the process of putting it in. And fairly small kitchen in terms of countertops, so it didn't take them long to bring in the different slabs and put them in place. They still have a little bit of work to do, but you know, I love it when a subcontractor has a little gadget that solves a very common problem. And here's the gadget our Granite contractor has. It's a vacuum pump that's basically called a seam puller. Starts off with a little air compressor in this toolbox, then the hoses go up and attach to these 4 pads that keep it attached to the countertop on each side of the seam. Now, you know, granite comes in some fairly large pieces, but still, when you're turning corners, you're going to have a seam here and there, and that's where the problem can occur later on. That seam comes loose really hard to get it back together. So what they do is they use a 2-part epoxy where they have a putty, and then the cream hardener mixes with it, and then you have just a few minutes to butter up the end of the countertop pieces, and then to hold it together, this does the trick. The air pressure holds the pads down, and then this adjustment holds the seam together, and these adjustments allow you to make sure that the top surface of each side of the seam is perfectly level. You leave this on for a few minutes and you never have to worry about that countertop seam coming apart. I've seen them use this a lot, never seen any problems with the seams at all.